In the teachings of the Buddha, nothing is permanent, not success, not failure. The mind that clings to failure suffers, and the mind that learns from it grows. This is the story of Tenzin, a young monk who learned that failure is not the end but the path to wisdom. In a peaceful monastery, deep in the Himalayas, lived a young monk named Tenzin. He was devoted to the Dharma but struggled with doubt. He admired the senior monks who had attained deep wisdom. Why do I fail in meditation while others succeed? He often asked himself. His master, the wise monk Rinzin, observed his restlessness. One evening, as the sun set behind the mountains, Rinzin called Tenzin. Tenzin, you seek wisdom, yet you fear failure. Go to the forest and meditate for 7 days. Tenzin bowed and accepted the challenge. But master, what if I fail? He asked hesitantly. Rinzin smiled. What is failure but an illusion of the mind? Tenzin entered the forest, finding a quiet spot under a great Bodhi tree. On the first day, his mind was restless, like waves on the ocean. Thoughts arose, memories, desires, fears. Why can't I stop thinking? He whispered. On the second day, he struggled with his posture, his legs aching. He felt weak and distracted. By the third day, frustration filled him. I am unworthy of this path, he thought. On the fourth day, he gave up and returned to the monastery. Bowing before Master Rinzin, he said, I have failed. The master did not scold him. Instead, he poured tea into Tenzin's cup, letting it overflow. Like this cup, your mind is full of judgment. Empty it, and try again. Encouraged by the master's words, Tenzin returned to the forest. This time, he did not resist failure, he observed it. He sat, breathed, and simply watched his thoughts. On the second day, he realized, thoughts come and go, but I am not my thoughts. On the third day, pain arose in his legs, but he accepted it without attachment. On the fourth day, doubts returned, but he did not cling to them. By the fifth day, his breath became his anchor. The sixth day passed in deep silence. On the seventh day, a profound stillness arose within him. Tenzin returned to the monastery, bowing before Rinzin. Master, I see now that failure was my greatest teacher. Rinzin nodded. Success and failure are but two sides of the same illusion. If you fear failure, you suffer. If you embrace it, you awaken. Tenzin smiled, his heart light as the wind. He had learned that failure was never the end, only the beginning. Years later, Tenzin became a teacher to many monks. A young student once came to him, frustrated. Master, I have failed again and again in my practice. Tenzin poured tea into the student's cup, just as Rinzin had done for him. Failure is not a stone in your path. It is the path itself, he said. The student's heart opened, and he understood. The Buddha taught that suffering comes from attachment. If we cling to failure, we suffer. If we learn from it, we grow. Every failure brings wisdom, patience, and clarity. Just as the lotus rises from the mud, our wisdom arises from struggle. Let failure be your teacher, not your enemy. Success is not the absence of failure. Success is the ability to rise again. In every failure, there is the seed of enlightenment. Walk your path with patience, and the Dharma will guide you.